Mastering workforce development. Workforce development initiates exist solely to fuel operational excellence and supercharge workforce performance. Which specific organizational goals and objectives do workforce development initiatives within an organization aim to support in order to achieve operational excellence and maximize workforce performance? Workforce development initiatives within an organization aim to support specific organizational goals and objectives that ultimately lead to achieving operational excellence and maximizing workforce performance. To begin with, workforce development initiatives focus on developing the skills, knowledge, and competencies of employees to enhance their productivity, efficiency, and effectiveness in their roles. This is critical in achieving operational excellence, as a highly skilled and competent workforce is better equipped to identify and implement process improvements, optimize workflows, and reduce waste. Furthermore, workforce development initiatives help to build a culture of continuous learning and improvement, where employees are empowered to take ownership of their work and are encouraged to suggest innovative solutions to operational challenges. One of the primary objectives of workforce development initiatives is to improve quality and reduce errors. This is achieved through training and development programs that focus on building technical skills, as well as soft skills, such as communication, teamwork, and problem-solving. By reducing errors and improving quality, organizations can reduce waste, rework, and the associated costs, thereby improving operational efficiency and effectiveness. Another key objective of workforce development initiatives is to enhance customer satisfaction. This is achieved by developing the skills of customer-facing employees, such as those in sales, customer service, and account management. By equipping these employees with the skills and knowledge needed to provide exceptional customer service, organizations can improve customer satisfaction, loyalty, and retention, leading to increased revenue and competitiveness. In addition, workforce development initiatives aim to improve operational efficiency and reduce costs. This is achieved through training and development programs that focus on process improvement, lean manufacturing, and Six Sigma methodologies. By equipping employees with the skills and knowledge needed to identify and implement process improvements, organizations can reduce waste, optimize workflows, and improve productivity. Furthermore, workforce development initiatives help to improve employee engagement and retention. This is achieved through training and development programs that focus on leadership development, coaching, and mentoring. By investing in the growth and development of employees, organizations can improve job satisfaction, motivation, and commitment, leading to reduced turnover and improved talent retention. Another key objective of workforce development initiatives is to drive innovation and competitiveness. This is achieved through training and development programs that focus on innovation, entrepreneurship, and design thinking. By equipping employees with the skills and knowledge needed to think creatively and develop innovative solutions, organizations can stay ahead of the competition and respond to changing market trends and customer needs. Finally, workforce development initiatives aim to improve health and safety performance. This is achieved through training and development programs that focus on health and safety awareness, risk management, and compliance. By equipping employees with the skills and knowledge needed to identify and mitigate health and safety risks, organizations can reduce accidents, injuries, and illnesses, improving the overall well-being of employees and reducing associated costs. In conclusion, workforce development initiatives within an organization aim to support specific organizational goals and objectives that ultimately lead to achieving operational excellence and maximizing workforce performance. By focusing on developing the skills, knowledge, and competencies of employees, organizations can improve quality, customer satisfaction, operational efficiency, employee engagement, innovation, and health and safety performance, leading to improved competitiveness, revenue, and profitability. The pursuit of operational excellence, it's a journey, not a destination. I recall a transformative experience with a manufacturing company that was struggling to stay afloat. They were stuck in a rut, producing subpar products, and their workforce was demotivated. I was called in to help them turn things around. The first step was to get to know the people, understand their pain points, and identify the root causes of the problems. I spent hours on the shop floor, observing, listening, and asking questions. It was clear that the employees were frustrated with the outdated equipment, lack of training, and poor communication. They felt like cogs in a machine, rather than valued contributors. In those early days, I sensed a palpable tension between management and the workforce. It was as if they were speaking different languages. The managers were focused on meeting production targets, while the employees were worried about job security and workload. I realized that building trust would be essential to bridging this gap. I proposed a series of workshops, where employees from different departments could come together, share their concerns, and collaborate on solutions. At first, the managers were skeptical, but eventually, they saw the value in empowering their people. These workshops became a safe space for open discussions, creative problem-solving, and camaraderie. One memorable workshop focused on a specific production line that was consistently falling short of targets. The team identified the root cause: inadequate training on a new machine. They worked together to design and implement a comprehensive training program, which not only improved efficiency, but also boosted morale. It was amazing to see how this shared sense of accomplishment brought the team closer together. As we delved deeper into the organization, we discovered that bureaucratic red tape was stifling innovation. Employees were hesitant to suggest new ideas, fearing rejection or punishment for mistakes. I convinced the leadership to introduce a "Oh, blame" policy, where employees were encouraged to experiment and learn from their mistakes. To celebrate successes and highlight areas for improvement, we introduced a monthly sharing and learning forum. This became a platform for employees to showcase their projects, share best practices, and receive feedback from their peers. It was heartening to see how this open exchange of ideas fostered a sense of community and friendly competition. However, it wasn't all smooth sailing. There were resistors to change, and some employees struggled to adapt to the new way of working. I worked closely with the leadership to address these concerns, providing coaching and support to help them develop their skills and confidence. Throughout this journey, I was struck by the power of adaptability. The organization's willingness to pivot, experiment, and learn from failure was crucial to their transformation. It wasn't about being perfect, it was about being willing to grow and improve together. In the end, the company's operational excellence initiatives paid off. Production efficiency improved, product quality increased, and employee engagement soared. But more importantly, the workforce became a cohesive unit, where people felt valued, empowered, and motivated to drive excellence. As I looked back on our journey, I realized that operational excellence is not just about processes and systems, it's about people. It's about creating an environment where individuals can thrive, grow, and innovate together. And that's what makes all the difference.